From 9 a.m., relatives and lawyers of Molly Katanga, who is accused of killing her husband Henry Katanga by shooting on 2nd November 2023, waited for the key suspect to be brought to Nakawa Magistrate's Court from IHK Hospital, where she had been admitted. At 11:30, a police van carrying Molly drove to the court premises.
We are waiting the other side.
The head of the police team that delivered Molly at court tried without success to block journalists from filming Molly Katanga, who is appearing in the public for the first time since the incident on 2nd November 2023. When police failed to push away the journalists, they decided to support Molly to enter the court waiting room. After midday, Molly was wheeled into the courtroom by prison wardens and police officers. The courtroom was filled to capacity. Molly had a bandage on her head and an arm cast a week after medical experts examined her and found injuries on her arms and the head.
The examination also found that she had several injuries which were classified as grievous harm.
She appeared before Chief Magistrate Erias Kakooza.
It is alleged that you, Molly Katanga, on the 2nd day of November 2023 at Mbuya Road, Nakawa Division, Kampala Capital City, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Katanga Henry.
Court slept out the evidence that prosecution has against her, and it is upon this evidence that the legal team led by Makdusman Kabega will prepare their defense.
A few days before this death, the deceased revealed to a close relative that he feared for his safety because he was being tracked by his wife, A1, and feared that he would be killed anytime.
Court heard that at the time of the incident, George Amanyire, a former domestic worker at Katanga's home, who is now on remand over the same case, was the first to hear noise in the master bedroom of Molly and her deceased Henry Katanga.
A5 had strange noises coming from the bedroom of the deceased and A1, and immediately alerted the rest of the people in the house. The workers moved closer to the bedroom to ascertain what could be happening. They had struggle inside the bedroom, and they suspected that the two, A1 and the deceased, could be fighting.
Amanyire tried again to enter the house, only to find that Molly had crawled to the next room.
On approaching the bedroom where A1 and the deceased slept, A5 noticed a trail of blood from the master bedroom to the room where A1 was seated.
When the daughters arrived, they reportedly removed the killer weapon, which belonged to the late Katanga.
On the DNA examination of the pistol, it was found that A1's DNA was the most predominant on the trigger.
In a statement of Molly Katanga that was recorded by police that was read before court, she says that on 1st of November 2023, she spent a night with her husband Henry Katanga in their matrimonial bedroom, and she does not recount what happened exactly on the 2nd of November 2023 when Katanga lost his life. She even doesn't remember how she got out of their home. After presenting the evidence against Molly, her legal team asked the court to allow their client to continue receiving treatment from the prison's hospital in liaison with her medical team. Court granted the request. Since investigations have been concluded, the defense team asked court to order police to vacate Katanga's home, which has been in their watch and possession since 2nd November 2023.
Family members should be allowed to stay and access their home. Okay.
Before being transferred to Luzira prison, Molly Katanga underwent tests in a police ambulance, which later drove her out of the court premises. Molly and her late husband Katanga had 4 children, two of whom have been charged with tampering with evidence at the scene of crime. The couple got married in 1991. It's not clear when Molly will be committed to the High Court for trial, since the Magistrates Court has no jurisdiction to try suspected capital offenders. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV.